caramel. Okay. Over here on the table, hon. Okay, ready? Okay. Then
pour the milk in.
Pour the milk in.
To the cup.
Okay.
How do we do it?
Like this.
What?
Ready?
It's full?
Is it full?
Yeah.
Yes, it's full. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay. Careful. Okay, that's okay. We're going to pour the milk in. We're going to get a paper towel. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold it like this. Yep. And then you hold the cup, too. Okay, that's good. Okay. Then,
Get a paper towel.
well, yeah, we'll do that in a minute. Then you
The strawberry sherbet. I need help, please.
oh, sure. How?
How do I do it?
By pushing with your thumb. Ready? Push with your thumb. There you go. Okay. That's plenty of syrup. All right, ready?
Stir it up. The spoon.
Did you want to ask something?
How much of the spoon?
Oh, here it is.
Oh.
What did you ask?
What happens with the spoon?
Should be where it is from.
Okay. All right, is it pink? Yep. Connor, is the milk pink?
Yeah.
Okay. So pouring and stirring is all done. What is it time to do now?
It's time to get a big
Yep.
to drink.
And then it's time to drink. Okay, go get the paper towel. Yeah, you can stop.